Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AT&T for fiber installation scheduling step by step clearly. To register with AT&T for fiber installation scheduling, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the AT&T website and press enter. Once on the home page, locate the search bar, usually found at the top of the screen. Type fiber installation into the search bar and hit enter. Review the search results for the option related to fiber installation scheduling. Click on the link that mentions fiber installation or ordering services. You will be directed to a page with information about AT&T Fiber. Look for a button or link that says Get Started or Sign Up Now. Click on that link to proceed with the registration process. Next, you will be prompted to enter your address to see if AT&T Fiber is available in your area. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code into the provided fields. After entering your information, click on the Check Availability button. The page will refresh to indicate whether AT&T Fiber is available for your location. If fiber is available, click on the option to order now or schedule installation. You will then be prompted to create an AT&T account if you do not already have one. Fill in the necessary personal information to create your account, including your name, email address, and a password. Once your account is created, log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the order page where you can select your desired fiber service package. Choose the package that best fits your needs and click Next or Continue. At this point, you will be given the option to schedule your installation date. Select a date and time that works for you from the available options. Review your order summary for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything is confirmed, finalize your registration by clicking on the Place Order or Confirm Installation button. You should receive a confirmation email with the details of your installation appointment. Keep this email for your records and refer back to it as your installation date approaches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.